Hello friends, my name is Pooja. Welcome to my channel Infinite Crochet. Today I'll be sharing you my table mat collection with you. But before proceeding with my collection, I want to show you some of my collection of amigurumi crochet. So the first toy that I made using the crochet is this panda. As you can see, I used two colors of wool here, white and the black one. And I have used the plastic eyes for the panda's eyes. And as you can see, there is a little tail as well. So this one, my first crochet. Now the second one is my doggy. Yes, you can see the doggy here, but here I used handmade. So I made these eyes using the wool. So rather than using the plastic eyes, as you can see, this toy is more child friendly because in this these eyes may hurt the child. And as you can see here, we can change clothes of the doggy as well. So whichever clothes you want to give as per the summers. So this is for summers, and for winters you can make full clothes. The third one is my unicorn, and as you can see the little detailing on its head, different colored flowers, the small one, and a unicorn horn and its hairs. As you can see, these are the hairs and with cute pink wings. Here's my unicorn, and this one is my snail, and here I have to give a little bit of twist. I use pink color in one horn and off-white color in other one. And again I use the plastic eyes here, and as you can take a good look of the snail. Now the fifth one is my Shaun the sheep. Hi. Yes, the Shaun the sheep. Again, as you can see that the sheep is wearing a cloth which is changeable, so I can change it as per the season. And again I use eyes, plastic eyes, as they are better to use than the other one because they give a perfect look to the face. And the last but not the least is my piggy. Yes, the piglet, the healthy piglet. And here you can see I have these ears, hands, legs, eyes, and yes, the cute pony is here. So this all is my amigurumi collection, which I made using these hooks. These are my crochet hooks, so I have a bigger collection, but for these toys I use only these three. So let's begin without further ado my collection of table mats. So let's start. So here is my first collection. This is my first table mat, as you can see. So these are the small flowers. So there are around 200 flowers in this mat. As you can see, the center of the flower is made using the single crochet, whereas the petals of the flower is made using the chain design. And this is a full collection of daisy flowers. The first one. Let's go to the second one. So I don't know the name of the flower here, but as you can see the flowers are really pretty. So there are 12 petals, the center with double crochet, the 12 petals with double crochet, and each flower is joined with the adjacent flower only a stitch. So the best part about these table mats is you can make them as big and as broad, as long as you want, as all you need is to make as many flowers, and you need to just join them one by one. Second one. Let's go for the third one. So my third one is this African hexagonal flower. So why this is called hexagonal? So as you can see, it has 6 sides. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the sixth. And as you can see, there are 6 petals. So out of my all the table mats, I think this one is my favorite. The reason being, as you can see the colors here. So inside a different color is used with double crochet. Then there is a second layer of double crochet. Then there is a third layer. This small one, the green one, as you can see, is a very fine line which is giving that distinct look. This flower is of single crochet and then one more layer of double crochet. And I have joined them again with double crochet. So again, this table mat can be of any length, as you can see. So I made comparatively smaller one, and this also has around 100 flowers in this. So the last but not the least, so this is a bit of incomplete piece. As you are aware that in India currently we are facing a lockdown situation due to coronavirus. So I couldn't get enough wool for my crochet work, but still I did some work. So this is the hibiscus flowers that I made, and as you can see it has 6 petals, the center. So make sure always make the center with a bright color, because this gives a very good look to the flower. So irrespective, you get a dark color, you get a light color, if the center is bright, the flower is gonna look beautiful. Beautiful. Yes, again double crochet here, and then you can see there is a join. See, as you can see this. So yes, all the flowers are joined by a chain only. Again, the length can be of varying. The length can be vary. That depends how much length you want, how much breadth you want. That all is up to you. All you need to do, make one flower, join it with the rest, join it with the next, join it with the next. So that's it. All you can do it vertically, you can do it horizontally, just to give the length and the width to the crochet mat. So this is the four different type of mats that I have made yet. So I'll be working more once the lockdown is over. So for the time being, please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.